I don't know why I worry so much about these guys. They're a lot safer than the others. Where did oh yes. What are you doing? What are you doing there? Huh? What you doing there, sweet boy? You my sweet boy? Y'all getting a midnight snack? They love this stuff. That's not a plug. Unless you want it to be, because they do love it. I'll sit out here with y'all for a minute. What are you doing, your mommy's tail? That's your mommy's tail. I just watched Spotty's eyes and he's not happy. I turned the light on for y'all, but y'all just stay up all night. What are you looking at? Hi, Cappy. You silly boy. You silly boy. Silly boy. Jingo, hi Jingo. What you doing, Jingo? You guys got food over there? Won't focus because of the chicken wire. Oh, Jingo. You ever gonna come back in, Jingo? Or you find a place you like? Huh? You find a place you liked? You silly boy. All right. Wish you could play with him, Spotty. Oh, Spotty's getting his face dried off. I washed his eyes for you, Mama. Are you gonna dry his face off now? Huh? That cat is such a good surrogate mom. Foster mom. Whatever you want to call it. You just keep her eyes clean, okay, sweetie? You guys okay? Having fun? Up there. Kittens. Happy, healthy kittens are so much fun to watch. I really like this thing. Look, one more level. You're leveling up. You leveling up there, little Bob. Little Bob. LB, little Bob, up, leveling up. LB means pound. Man, I'll end up calling you Pounder. You gonna go up one more level? You can go up one more level. You actually can go up 2 more levels. Oh, that was pretty good. See what, that little guy turned out to be really healthy. All right, that's 3 minutes. That's a 3-minute one. Oh, did you find a bingy ball to play with? Huh? Ah, that doesn't need to be in the video. That don't need to be in the video. Oop. Okay. Blink. Alright, that's enough. What are you going to do now? Too much video. I'm not used to making nothing long. What, you going to get the bingy ball? We'll go back down here to the mama. Mama says, "Come here, baby, I'll lick your boo-hoo. I'll lick your boo-hoo. I'll lick your face. You're such a good girl, Chi-Chi." That's a long video now. If I keep my mouth shut, I can put music with it. Well, all right. I'm going to go in. Bugabed's going to go eat some ice cream. Ha! First, you got to take a shower.